I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, verify these are AirPod Pro tips and pick the correct size replacement. Once confirmed, wipe the earbud with an isopropyl wipe to remove oil and debris and place it on the cloth. Next, grasp the old silicone tip at its base and gently pull straight off. You should feel it release from the plastic mount. Make sure to avoid twisting hard. Steady pull prevents damage. Keep the removed tip as reference for fit and size. Once the old tip is removed, align the new silicone tip so the inner ring matches the earbud's connector. You will push straight on. Apply steady pressure until you feel or hear a soft click. This click ensures the retaining ring engaged. Make sure the tip sits flush and symmetrical with the speaker mesh. A misaligned tip causes poor seal and sound issues. If lint or debris appears, peel the tip off and clean both surfaces. Then reattach using the same click method so the fit is secure. You finish by pairing and testing. Play audio, switch between noise canceling and transparency, and perform the ear fit test if available. Once done, evaluate comfort and low-frequency response. A good seal gives stronger bass. If the seal is weak, try the next size or remove and reseat until the click is solid. If sound stays muffled or distorted, make sure the mesh is clean. If problems persist, reset the AirPod Pro or contact support for a replacement. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.